Good morning, students. In the last class, we have started with a new chapter that was trade. Okay, and in trade, we have two types of trade, that is internal trade. In internal trade you have wholesale trade and retail trade. So in the last class we have seen types of trade, wholesale trade and retail trade, that is internal trade. तो होलसेल ट्रेड के बारे में हम लोगों ने देखा. वी हैव सीन द फीचर्स ऑफ होलसेल ट्रेड, देन सर्विसेज विच आर गिवन बाय द होलसेलर. हम लोगों ने देखा सर्विसेज गिवन टू द मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड सर्विसेज टू द रिटेलर. देन वी हैव सीन व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रिटेल ट्रेड. ओके, और हम लोगों ने देखे उसके फीचर्स. व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ रिटेल ट्रेड? सर्विसेज टू द होलसेलर. व्हाट सर्विसेज रिटेलर प्रोवाइड टू द होलसेलर? Then what are the services provided to the consumer? Because retailer is a link between whom? Consumer and the wholesaler. So he will provide the information whatever required to the wholesaler as well to the customer. Okay, then we will, today's class we are going to see the types of retailer. Okay, now this retailer are of two types, that is itinerant retailer and fixed shop retailer. itinerant retailers मतलब ये जो retailers है ये क्या करते हैं, स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज़ में गुड्स सेल करते हैं. रिटेलर्स आर हु? पीपल हु शॉपकीपर्स और पीपल हु बिजनेसमैन हु सेल गुड्स इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज टू द कस्टमर. नाउ इटिनरेंट रिटेलर्स. इटिनरेंट मतलब ये जो रिटेलर्स हैं उनका एक फिक्स प्लेस नहीं रहता. ओके, दे गो ऑन मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. मतलब दे डोंट हैव अ फिक्स शॉप. आज आप लोगों को उधर एक प्लेस दिखेंगे, कल के दिन वो आप लोगों को नहीं दिखेंगे. दोज आर नोन एज इटिनरेंट रिटेलर्स. ओके ना, इटिनरेंट रिटेलर्स आर हु? हॉकर्स, peddlers, street traders, cheap jacks and market traders. Okay, these people are itinerant traders because they don't have their fixed place of doing the business. Next you have fixed shop retailers. फिक्स शॉप रिटेलर्स आर हु? दिस रिटेलर्स हैव अ फिक्स शॉप. ओके, उनका एक फिक्स शॉप रहता है. इवन इफ यू गो टू द नेक्स्ट डे यू विल फाइंड दिस रिटेलर्स. ना दिस रिटेलर्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, दैट इज स्मॉल स्केल फिक्स रिटेलर्स, लार्ज स्केल फिक्स रिटेलर्स. मतलब स्मॉल स्केल मतलब दे आर जनरली हु? जनरल स्टोर्स, सेकेंड हैंड गुड शॉप्स, ऑथराइज्ड डीलर्स, स्पेशलिटी शॉप्स. Large scale fixed shops are home, departmental stores, supermarkets, okay, chain stores, one price shops, malls. Okay, these are large scale fixed retailers. Now we will see itinerant retailers. As I told you, itinerant retailers are who doesn't have any fixed place or fixed shop of their business. Okay, they will go on moving from one place to another. Hawkers. Now this type of retailers are very old retailers. Okay, these are the oldest type of retailer. They will move from one place to another place. Okay, and carrying goods in hand carts, moving from one city or place where anywhere or प्लेस एनीवेयर. मतलब जैसे आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे जो सब्जी वगैरह लेके आते हैं, दे डोंट स्टे एट वन प्लेस, दे विल कीप ऑन मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. They will have a hand cart. Okay, and they will move from one city to another city. Okay, they can sell it easily. They require very limited capital because they move from one place to another, and they will shout, okay, on the streets and all. They will shout loudly announcing the names and prices of the goods. आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे सब्जी वाले and all. Okay, they what they do whenever they bring goods and where they are at a cheap price, they will shout at the price also. Okay, so those are known as hawkers. Okay, they deal in seasonal vegetables. Okay, as I told you, they will deal in vegetable, fruits and some other items like household cheap articles, bangles, clips. Okay, you all must have seen these people are mostly there in Pune cities. Okay, most of the even when you in a nearby a college area also you will find bangle people, vegetables. Okay, so they will shout and you will come to know that these people have come. Peddlers. Peddlers are who? They are this is also the oldest form of carry goods on their head in the basket or a container. Okay, they don't have a hand cart, they will take it on their head. Okay, जैसे कि एक बुट्टी जैसे रहते हैं ना कंटेनर्स, एक बास्केट लेके वो लोग देंगे एंड दे विल डील इन वेरी लो क्वालिटी गुड्स. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि वो हाई क्वालिटी के लेंगे, लेकिन लो क्वालिटी के विच दे विल कैरी ऑन देयर हेड. सो हियर ऑफ दिस गुड्स आर बेसिकली ऑफ लो क्वालिटी एंड दे आर ऑफ डे टू डे यूज, जैसे कि कैश एंड दे विल डू द बिजनेस ऑन कैश बेसिस. ओके, जैसे कि वेजिटेबल हो, फ्रूट्स हो, फिश हो, यूटेंसिल्स हो, सोप्स हो, अगरबत्ती हो, ऐसे वो छोटे छोटे लेके अपने सिर पे कंटेनर या बास्केट लेके जो घूमते हैं उनको बोलते हैं पेडलर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट आर स्ट्रीट ट्रेडर्स. Now these type of traders are businessmen who do business on the footpath of the busy streets of the city and town. Okay, you all must have seen such people in Ravivar Pet. Okay, शुक्रवार पेट नियर दैट किला, नहीं तो सिंहगढ़ जो फोर्ट है वहाँ पे यू विल फाइंड इट ऑन द फुटपाथ. ओके, जहाँ पे बिजी लेन रहते हैं वहाँ पे वो लोग अपना वेयर देयर इज मच क्राउड. ओके, नियर द रेलवे स्टेशन एंड ऑल, they will display their goods on the footpath. They will use the marketplace as what? Footpath. Okay, and they prefer crowded places like marketplaces, bus stop, railway station, schools, colleges, etc. They set up temporary stalls on the roadside. They sell items like handbags, ready-made garments जो भी है, टॉयज़ हो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड्स हो, मोबाइल कवर्स हो. ओके, सो दे बेसिकली यूज what? Footpath. That's why they known as street traders. Okay, and the prices of the goods are very reasonable and they do not change their place of business frequently. 10 या 1 month तक वो वहाँ पे रहेंगे, then they will change. Okay, they don't changes frequently. Street traders. Next is cheap jack. Okay, cheap jacks are who? They have their independent shop having temporary setup. Okay, so this the ये जो business वाले हैं, they will keep on changing their business depending on the responses they get from the customers. Okay, जैसे कि snack shop हो या crockery का shop हो, नहीं तो what you call ice cream shops and all, those are what? Cheap jacks. Okay, so they have their own shop. Okay, and according to the customers response, जैसे कि पाव भाजी वाला. ओके, सो दे हैव देयर ओन शॉप्स. सो चीप जैक्स हैव फिक्स शॉप फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पीरियड. दे विल डील विद वैरायटी ऑफ गुड्स लाइक cutlery, crockery, socks, shampoos, etc. The quality of the goods is very inferior. Okay, next is market traders. Now market traders are who? They open their shops on market days only. Okay, so that is on different places on fixed day. जैसे कि हर एक प्लेस का एक मार्केट डे रहता है. इफ़ यू गो टू हड़पसर, दे हैव their market day on Sundays. Okay, if you go to some other place, they have their market. मतलब हर एक का एक एक मार्केट डे होता है. So on that day they will open their shop. Other days if you go, you will not find that shop. Okay, those are known as market traders. So usually many villages and towns have their days or week known as a market day. Okay, on that day only various retailers will come and set up their shop for a temporary 1 day or 2 days. Okay, and you will find goods, for example vegetables you will find, pulses you will find, fruits you will find some toys, spices, ready-made garments, daily use utensils. Okay, they are also called as weekly market traders. Okay, so here market traders are who? They will open their shop only on market days. So itinerant retailers कौन से हैं? They don't have their fixed place of business. Okay, those are hawkers, peddlers, street traders, cheap jacks and market traders. Okay, ये हो गए itinerant traders. Next we will see what is fixed price shop. So here fixed price. Next we will see fixed shop retailers. Okay, these are retailers who do not who have a fixed place of their business. They will not move from one place to another. Okay, because these retailers have their own shops. Okay, so here the shop is fixed. Okay, now these fixed shop retailers are divided classified into two, that is small scale fixed retailers and large scale fixed retailers. Small scale fixed retailers are who they will conduct a business on small scale. Okay, मतलब ये बड़े business वाले नहीं है, they will have the business on small scale and variety of goods in small scale retailers. Okay, you will find variety of goods. Okay, they offer shopping convenience to customers as they are situated in the सेम लोकेलिटी. ओके, जिस लोकेलिटी में उसके कंज्यूमर्स है उसी पे वहाँ पे ही वो लोग सिचुएटेड होंगे. जनरल स्टोर, मेडिकल स्टोर, लॉन्ड्री. ओके, विच यू फाइंड अराउंड योर सोसाइटीज़ एंड ऑल. सोसाइटी के नीचे या सोसाइटी के आजू बाजू जो आप लोग आपके घर के आजू बाजू जो दिखेंगे, दोज आर नोन एज स्मॉल स्केल रिटेलर्स. द टाइप्स ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल फिक्स रिटेलर्स. ओके, मतलब दीज आर फिक्स रिटेलर्स, मतलब ये रिटेलर्स है उनके एक शॉप रहते हैं. दे विल नॉट मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर एंड दे विल हैव देयर ओन शॉप. ओके, बट दे विल डू इट ऑन अ स्मॉल स्केल. ओके, यहाँ लार्ज स्केल पे नहीं करते. सो योर फर्स्ट वन इज जनरल स्टोर. जनरल स्टोर आर हु दिस रिटेलर्स सेल गुड्स विच रिक्वायर फॉर द पीपल फॉर देयर डे टू डे नीड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फूड ग्रेन, सोप, stationery items, medicals, oil, toffees, biscuits, plastic goods, footwear, umbrellas, pens. Okay, these are required by the people. Grocery items. Okay, they require it daily. हम लोगों को daily रखते हैं. तो दिस शॉप्स ये जो है दे आर लोकेटेड नियर द रेजिडेंशियल एरिया, मतलब जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं. इन टाउन्स और सिटीज़ दे विल प्रोवाइड होम डिलीवरी ऑफ गुड्स ऑल्सो. ओके, जैसे कि हमारे साइड में जो शॉप्स है जहाँ पे आप लोगों को सब कुछ मिलता है उनको क्या बोलते हैं, जनरल स्टोर बोलते हैं. दे हैव वैरायटी ऑफ गुड्स इन ईच आइटम. ओके, दे बाय द गुड्स फ्रॉम द होलसेलर बट बाय डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द मैन्युफैक्चरर. ओके, दोनों ये होलसेलर से भी लेते, लेकिन they will find you will find variety of goods with the general store. Everything you will find. Next is second hand goods shops. Now these retailers, what they do, they purchase goods and sell used goods. Okay, that is जो use किए हुए है. Okay, they will ये लोग purchase करेंगे and they will resell it. Okay, they deal in books. Okay, books जो है हम लोगों ने use किए हुए रद्दी पे जाते हैं और वो लोग क्या करते हैं, they will sell it again. Those are known as second hand goods shops. They will sell goods like, for example, books, furniture, TV sets, clothes, cars, etc. What they will do, they will do repairing of the goods and they will keep it in a working condition. These goods can be sold to the consumer, and generally consumers from weak financial background who cannot purchase new product. Okay, उनको न्यू नहीं परचेज कर सकते, वो लोग सेकेंड हैंड गुड्स लेते हैं. सो एज द प्राइसेस ऑफ गुड्स आर चीप एंड दे लैक क्वालिटी, ड्यूरेबिलिटी एंड गारंटी. ओके, न्यू प्रोडक्ट को कैसे हमें गारंटी मिलती है वैसे वहाँ पे नहीं मिलते. ओके, दोज आर नोन एज स्मॉल सेकेंड हैंड गुड्स शॉप. थर्ड इज ऑथराइज डीलर्स. ओके, ना दिस डीलर्स जो है दे आर ऑथराइज बाय द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स. मतलब जैसे कि अगर हम लोगों को टीवी चाहिए या फ्रिज चाहिए या कार चाहिए, वी गो टू ऑथराइज डीलर्स बिकॉज वी नो वी विल गेट ऑल द सर्विसेज. ओके, इफ यू गो टू समबडी एल्स वी विल एंड अप बाइंग फेक प्रोडक्ट. ओके, सो ये here they what they do, they will deal with goods like, for example, TV sets, washing machine, automobiles, music systems. Okay, now authorized dealers, what they do, they try to maximize sale of goods because they get good commissions from the manufacturers. Now these authorized dealers जो है they will not produce anything from but they deal directly with the manufacturer and whatever manufacturer क्या करेगा, सिर्फ उनको produce करके देगा. Afterwards whatever services are there, it will be dealt by the authorized dealers. Okay, so what they will do, they will promote the goods by window display, advertisement, attractive schemes, one buy one get one free, ऐसे schemes रख के they will attract the consumer. Those are known as authorized dealers. Next is specialty shop. Okay, now ये जो shop है they will deal in only one particular kind of goods. Okay, but ये जो shop है they will keep wide variety of ऑप्शंस ऑफ सेम लाइन। जैसे कि अगर आप लोग टॉय शॉप पे जाओगे तो आप लोगों को वैरायटी ऑफ टॉयज मिलेंगे, ओके, बट इट विल सेल ओनली टॉयज। इफ यू गो टू कॉस्मेटिक शॉप, if you will get all cosmetics, but they will sell only cosmetic item, nothing else you will find। if you go to sports shop या cycle shop, you will find only cycles, you will find only sports material, okay। so here so yeah, these are the examples are what specialty shops are retailers that deal in sports material, ready-made dresses, leather goods, plastic goods, watches, books, etc। now they offer goods at a varying price range, okay। ऐसा नहीं कि सेम प्राइस रहेगा, they will have variety of prices, okay, and they will provide wide choice to the customers, okay। they give advice to the customer as they have expert knowledge about the product because they deal in only one kind of product। next is large scale fixed retailer। large scale fixed retailers, before we start let me revise who are the small scale retailers: general store, second hand goods shops, authorized dealers, and specialty shop। these are the businesses which are retailers who deal in very small scale, okay। next are retailers who deal in large scale, okay। here the retailers who conduct the business by investing large amount or huge capital, okay, and they will sell variety of goods, okay, at larger scale। these are known as large scale retailers, okay। now these retailers mostly located in areas where there is lot of urbanization, okay, and this fixed shop located in different localities of the cities, you will find such shops in city areas only। first one is departmental store। now the stories of large scale retail shop having different departments under one roof, okay। so each section deals in particular types of goods, okay। now this department what happens, they are very large, मतलब huge shops रहते हैं, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स रहते हैं, जैसे कि ग्रोसरी आइटम्स, वेजिटेबल्स, क्लोथ्स, और फिर अपना what you call toys, you will find food। for example, shopper stop, if you go to shopper stop you will find everything under one floor, those are known as departmental store, okay। so yeah, according to James Tapstons, okay, what he says, a big store engaged in the retail trade of variety of articles under same roof are known as departmental store। according to GB Gills, what he says, department store is a collection of shops under one roof, okay। here you will find many shops under one roof, and ownership each shop or department specializing in selling a special range of goods। for example, Big Bazaar, you will find everything under one roof, you will find clothes, you will find bags, you will find kids items, you will find toys, you find household items, utensils, you everything under one floor, that is known as departmental store, okay। let's see what are the features of departmental store। here departmental stores give shopping convenience because all the store they will have wide variety of goods and services under one roof, hence provides maximum shopping convenience, people won't go to another shop, they think that you when you are getting in one place, why to move around for another, searching for another, okay। so here customer can fulfill their wants of goods at different price level। next is centralized management। what happens in department stores, all the departments are independent, okay, and they are centrally owned, matlab one management will look after all the shops, so they are well managed and controlled, so advertising, accounting, recruitment of staff, all the things will be done by the centrally owned management system, okay। so all the activities of departmental stores are managed at central level। next is wide variety of goods। so now this departmental stores, what they do, they provide wide variety of goods of different brands, designs, and colors, okay। so you'll find one particular size के clothes बहुत सारे varieties रहेंगे, so here it becomes a very good option for the customer to buy goods at very one roof, okay। next is specialization। So each department sections जो है it will deal in separate line of products or goods which are a specialized service. For example, there will be electronic section, there will be kitchenware section, clothes section, okay, grocery section. तो ऐसे यहाँ पे specialized knowledge भी आपको expert advice भी मिल सकता है because each section जो है each department will deal in one particular specialized product. Next is centralized location. Now this departmental store जो है they prefer to be located in the center place of the city. So your location becomes easy for the customer to access. Okay, next is huge capital. Now this departmental stores जो है they require very huge capital investment. The capital is required to be for spacious places, storing of goods, variety of goods, salary to staff, advertisement, electricity, etc. Okay, so that's why they require very huge capital. For example, a D-Mart. Okay, you will find everything under one roof. That is known as departmental store. नेक्स्ट इज नो क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी. ना दिस डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर जो है दे विल वर्क ऑन कैश बेसिस और दे विल एक्सेप्ट क्रेडिट कार्ड्स बट दे विल नॉट ऑफर क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी. Okay, so these are the features of departmental store, that is shopping convenience, centralized management, wide variety of goods, specialization, okay, central location, huge capital, and no credit facility. Next is supermarket shop. Okay, now these supermarket shops जो है they are also large scale or retailers. Okay, they will sell variety of goods of food and grocery item on the basis of self service. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको goods लाके नहीं देंगे, whatever amount you require you will pick it up. Okay, so here supermarket जो है in large retailing shop where goods are kept in open rack. Okay, यहाँ पे open rack supermarket मतलब क्या, यहाँ पे जो goods है they will be on the open rack, so you have a option to buy what items you want. Okay, so buyers have to select the product, place them in a trolley or a box, bring them near the gate where the clerk prepares the bill on the counter for the goods selected. The buyer pays the bill and takes the delivery of the goods. Okay, for example, Reliance Fresh, बिग बाज़ार, डी मार्ट, यहाँ पे जो सेक्शंस है. ओके, वहाँ पे क्या करना है, आप लोगों को जो जो चाहिए वो आप लोग लेना है. यर देयर इज सेल्फ सर्विस. सो योर डेफिनेशन इज व्हाट, अ लार्ज स्टोर सेलिंग वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ कंज्यूमर गुड्स पर्टिकुलरली फूड and small articles of household items. Okay, requirement, those are known as supermarket shops. So here features of supermarket shops, they are what, location. Now these are located generally in the central area of the city where the population is concentrated. Okay, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा population है वहाँ पे ये located होंगे. Types of goods. Now these supermarkets, what they will do, they will deal with goods of day to day requirement. Okay, for example, food grains, tinned food, bakery products, groceries, stationery. Okay, so at the time goods which are not available with small retailers are available in the supermarket. Okay, अगर retailers के पास नहीं है तो supermarket के पास आपको obviously मिल जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज सेल्फ सर्विस. इन ये जो सुपरमार्केट्स हैं यहाँ पे गुड्स रैक के अंदर डिस्प्ले किए जाते हैं. तो यह सुपरमार्केट्स ऑपरेट ऑन सेल्फ सर्विस स्टाइल. ओके, यह आप लोगों को जो चाहिए जैसे पसंद है वैसे आप लोग पिक कर सकते. देयर इज़ नो सेल्स मैन अराउंड. ओके, टू द शॉप द कस्टमर कैन सिलेक्ट द गुड्स फ्रॉम द इंफॉर्मेशन प्रिंटेड ऑन द प्रोडक्ट. वट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन इज प्रिंटेड from that you can pick it up and take it to the clerk for billing. Okay, next is reasonable price. The supermarket, what they do, they buy goods on large scale. Okay, so they pass the benefit to the customers by selling the goods at a very reasonable price. Next is capital. Even supermarkets requires huge amount of capital because established by cooperative societies and private limited companies. For example, Reliance Fresh, Tata Group, Graha Pet. Okay, ये सारे क्या है, रिटेलर्स है जो है सुपरमार्केट रिटेलर्स. ओके, सो here they require capital. Next is cash sales. So whatever goods are there, they are sold on cash basis. There are no credit facilities provided, and are given to the customer. Some customers, okay, some schemes are introduced for just cashback scheme रहेगी, loyalty program. This will increase the cash sales. Next is attractive packaging. So here packaging plays a very important role. Okay, जो packaging करते हैं, they play a very important role in selling the products in the supermarket. So here goods are what they are packed very nicely. The details of the quantity will be given, date will be given, quality will be given, weight will be given, price, content, everything will be given on the sheet of the front packet, on the front side of the bracket. Next is impulsive buying. Now यहाँ पे क्या होता है, when customer buys goes does the self service of picking the product, whatever unwanted items जो है it will be induced. Okay, so your customer is induced to buy unwanted amount because it attracts the packing and the sales promotion scheme. जब भी हम लोग डी मार्ट जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम लोगों को जो स्कीम्स रहते हैं उसको हम लोग अट्रैक्ट, what we do, even if we don't want we will buy because we get attracted towards the price कि कल नहीं मिलेगा हमें ये प्राइस पे, ये गुड्स नहीं मिलेगा, so we try buying. So that is known as impulsive buying. So here these are the features of supermarket shop, that is location in the central of the city. They will deal with day-to-day goods, self-service, reasonable price, capital, cash sales, attractive packings, and impulsive buying. Next, we will see chain store. Okay, so here in just a minute. चेन स्टोर मतलब क्या है, दिस ये जो रिटेलर्स है दे आर ओन्ड बाय सिंगल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, यहाँ पे बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रहता है एंड दे हैव नेटवर्क्स ऑफ देयर स्टोर्स. ओके, सो चेन स्टोर इज अ नेटवर्क ऑफ नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस सिचुएटेड इन डिफरेंट लोकेलिटीज और सिटीज. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल फर्नीचर्स जो है, अर्बन लैडर्स एंड ऑल, दे आर चेन स्टोर्स यू विल फाइंड इन every cities. Okay, so here even the staff who is there they will have the same clothing style. उनका जो management है it will be the same, design, color, everything will be same. Okay, so according to Jameson, what they say, a chain store is a shop consisting of number of similar shops owned by the single business firm. Okay, according to Clark, chain store is a system consisting of number of retailers. Okay, retail stores which sell similar products centrally owned and operated by the management. जैसे कि बाटा स्टोर, wherever you go you will find the same thing. Raymond stores, Croma, Vijay Sales are the examples of chain stores. Okay, so here features of chain stores, what are they are low and uniform price. Okay, उनके जो price है they are very low and uniform. Whichever shop you will go you will find the same price. Okay, so because here due to the centralized buying from the head office, prices are very less. Uniformity, so here the chain store जो है they have the same style of external internal layout. मतलब उनका जो interior colors they it will be the very same, even the sign board will be same. नेक्स्ट इज लिमिटेड रेंज ऑफ गुड्स. ना जिस ये जो चेन स्टोर है दे विल सेल लिमिटेड रेंज ऑफ गुड्स प्रोड्यूस बाय द पर्टिकुलर मैन्युफैक्चरर. ओके, जैसे कि बाटा शॉप्स विल सेल फुटवेयर्स मैन्युफैक्चर बाय बाटा शोज कंपनी. दे विल नॉट सेल एनी अदर प्रोडक्ट, ओनली द फुटवेयर्स विच आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन बाटा शू कंपनी विल बी सोल्ड इन बाटा स्टोर्स. Now large investment, because chain stores are having a very large network of shops. Okay, so they require very large financial investment. Okay, they have branches. Okay, manage in terms of salary to the staff, advertisement, decoration, everything requires large investment. Next is distribution to branches. Okay, now यहाँ पे ये जो चेन स्टोर्स है दे विल परचेज इन लार्ज स्केल फ्रॉम द प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड दे विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट थ्रू द branches. Next is cash sale. Whatever goods are sold, it is sold on cash basis. Okay, so there won't be any bad debts. Next is quality of goods. Whatever goods are sold in chain stores, they are very standardized and branded goods. Okay, so here quality assurance of the goods is very given to the consumers in the chain stores. Next is one price shop. One price shop matlab whatever goods are they are selling, okay, they will have only one price. Okay, that is shop. The shop जो है they will sell large variety of goods of daily use, but the price is very मतलब common रहते हैं. Okay, the product irrespective of size and shape, okay, but they are sold at uniform price. These prices are fixed in advance. Okay, for example 99 shop, okay, they will sell goods, for example gift articles, watches, shampoos, hair products, household items, crockery, and they are selling goods at rupees 49, 99, 199. आपने देखा होगा 99 shops and all. Okay, so those are some of the shops which are having one price. So here features are what? Uniform price. So all the goods, okay, whether they are big or small, they have standard price. Okay, there is no scope of bargaining. Whatever the price which is there, it is fixed. Low price, usually the price of goods are reasonably low. Variety of goods, these shops usually deal in goods of small size goods. Okay, and they have wide scope of choice of goods, जैसे कि stationery item, toys, fun games, प्ले कार्ड्स, ऐसी चीज़ें वो लोग देखेंगे एंड दे विल सेल सच काइंड ऑफ गुड्स. नेक्स्ट इज लोकेशन. दिस शॉप्स जो है दे आर लोकेटेड इन बिजी एरियाज. ओके, जैसे कि आपके रेलवे स्टेशन हो, बस स्टॉप हो, वहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट, दे विल बी सिचुएटेड इन सच एरियाज. ओके, एंड this shop sometimes have temporary setups also. They in the exhibitions and all you will find such shop where you will find prices as 99, 49. Cash sales, these goods, ये जो goods sold करते हैं, they are only sold on cash basis, no credit facility is available. Less capital, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो goods है they are small goods, so their amount of capital which is required they are very small. नेक्स्ट इज मॉल्स. नाउ ये जो मॉल्स है दे आर बिग शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सेस. they will contain various types of shows, business and restaurants. Okay, everything will be there under one building complex. Okay, so here shopping malls जो है they have come from American terms. Okay, which means one or more building from the complex. It is a modern type of shop which enables customers to buy different products from one unit to another unit of the mall. Okay, so here mall will have everything. You will have restaurant, you will have theaters. Okay, you will have shops, everything over there. And in Pune you have a number of malls. For example Aminora Mall, you have Season Mall, you have Phoenix Mall, In Orbit Mall. Okay, so here the difference between various shops, ये जो है mall जो है they are very different from departmental stores, chain stores and malls. Okay, so here malls you all must have I hope everyone has visited mall. So you will find the difference between mall and departmental stores, chain shops and one price shop, because mall will have everything under one building complex. So in today's class we have seen the different types of retailers.